Hey, attorney Jason Waechter here for Ride Free TV. Today, I thought we'd show you these cool cases we got to transport our gear from the truck to the booth of all the events that we do. I love them for a lot of reasons. They hold a lot of stuff. They're on wheels so we don't have to do all that lugging, and they look cool. I thought today we'd spray paint our name on the side of it and take you along for the journey. Anybody that knows me knows I'm more HDI. That means handyman does it all. In fact, all the tools at my house are owned by my wife. We need this alley clear. Prepped up, we got our stencil down, next is paint. So you see, this do-it-yourself stuff's pretty easy if you have the right materials. Subscribe below so you can follow us and continue to watch great videos like this one, everything motorcycle related, and more. And then slow down, and it helps when you're nodding. You're like, this is great. I'm like, yay, I'm doing good. Next is paint. Next is paint. This is the stupid shit you do. Next is paint. Next is paint. That was great. I like the slap. It was a nice slap. Yeah. That lawyer next door that keeps bothering us, let's go tag his office.